Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will discuss about exploring the features of the Samsung phone. In the dynamic world of smartphones, Samsung has consistently stood at the forefront of innovation, delivering cutting-edge technology and exceptional user experiences. With each new iteration, Samsung continues to push boundaries and redefine what is possible in the realm of mobile devices. This article delves into the remarkable features that make Samsung phones a pinnacle of modern technology and a true delight for users. 1. Stunning display technology. One of Samsung's standout features lies in its display technology. The brand's AmoLED and Super AmoLED screens offer vibrant colors, deep contrasts, and exceptional brightness. The Infinity display design, with its minimal bezels and curved edges, not only enhances the visual appeal but also immerses users in a seamless, edge-to-edge viewing experience. From watching movies to playing games, Samsung's display technology elevates the way we engage with content. 2. Powerful cameras and imaging capabilities. Samsung's commitment to photography excellence is evident in its advanced camera systems. Equipped with multiple lenses, high resolutions, and innovative features, Samsung phones capture moments with stunning clarity and detail. The integration of AI-driven enhancements, such as scene recognition and adaptive modes, ensures that users can effortlessly create professional-grade photos and videos. 3. Enhanced security and biometrics. Samsung has prioritized user security with features like facial recognition, fingerprint scanning, and even iris scanning. These biometric authentication methods provide a seamless and secure way to unlock devices and authenticate transactions. Samsung Knox, a robust security platform, safeguards user data and privacy, making Samsung phones a trusted choice for individuals and enterprises alike. 4. S Pen and productivity tools. For the Galaxy Note series, the S Pen stylus is a game-changer. It transforms the smartphone into a powerful tool for creativity and productivity. From jotting down notes to creating intricate drawings, the S Pen offers precision and versatility. Additionally, Samsung's productivity tools, including split-screen multitasking and Samsung DeX, enable users to maximize efficiency and multitasking capabilities. 5. Long-lasting battery and fast charging. Samsung phones are engineered to keep up with the demands of modern life. With a focus on battery life and efficient energy management, users can rely on their devices throughout the day. Moreover, Samsung's fast charging technology ensures that a short charging session provides a significant boost in battery capacity, minimizing downtime. 6. Customizable user experience. Samsung's One UI interface puts user experience at the forefront. It offers a clean, intuitive design with customizable elements, empowering users to tailor the devices to their preferences. The interface streamlines navigation and optimizes interactions, making it a user-friendly and engaging platform. Conclusion: Samsung phones are more than just communication devices. They are technological marvels that seamlessly integrate innovation and user-centric design. From stunning displays to advanced cameras, enhanced security, and productivity features, Samsung's commitment to pushing the boundaries of what a smartphone can do is evident in every aspect of the devices. As we explore the remarkable features of Samsung phones, we are reminded that these devices are not just tools, but gateways to a world of endless possibilities.